Alright guys, so this is Miss Knight, and I just wanted to give you a quick little tutorial on Splash Learn, one of our math programs we're going to be using to build our skills with math. So first of all, you're going to go to www.splashlearn.com, and you want to click on Sign In at the top right hand corner. And then you want to click on Class, and then you want to put your class code in. Every homeroom has their own class code. We're going to go to my homeroom, and my homeroom is ENALKA. And then we want to click on your profile, find your name. And today we're going to be Marlon. Marlon's moved away, and so we're going to use his, and his password is bottle 3. Sign in. To log in, it is case sensitive, so if your login is a lowercase beginning lowercase letters, then you need to make sure that they're lowercase. It is case sensitive. This is your dashboard. Here are your list of assignments. For this week, I want us to be working on the bottom 4 assignments right here. Classified two-dimensional figures, hierarchy of two-dimensional figures, volume using unit cubes, volume of cubes. And that's for this week. Quick reminder, you can earn coins for every right answer you get, and with those coins you can play in your jungle or in your aquarium.
Yes.
You can also go and build your skills with your facts. You can click on this tab. So here are your math fact practice. You can choose to work on your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If they're filled in, then that means that those are the facts you're going to be working on. If you want to be specific with the facts that you want to work on, you can choose any of these facts to work on. You can choose multiple facts to work on, or just one or all of them. Over here, you have the number of questions you want to do, the range numbers, 0 through 12, the type of answers you're going to be putting in. You can change it from choices to keypad, and you can set a timer, or you can turn off the timer. If you turn on a timer, you have different choices: 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes, 2 and 30 seconds, 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 30 seconds, 4 minutes. So you can set the timer as high as you want. You can always click on my dashboard, and that'll take you back to your assignment list. Right back to where you started with your math facts, your aquarium, and your jungle. All right, have fun building your skills, and let us know if you need any help.